Estate planning lawyers versus will writing services. Which one is better for securing family assets? Most people get this wrong by assuming a simple will is enough to protect their family's assets. The surprising truth is that while will writing services are convenient, estate planning lawyers offer far more comprehensive protection, especially for complex family situations or significant wealth. Will writing services are typically online platforms or template-based services that help you create a basic will. They are fast, affordable, and suitable for straightforward estates. For example, if you own a single home and want to leave it to a spouse, a will writing service may be sufficient. However, these services often lack personalized guidance and may not account for tax implications, trusts, or blended family arrangements. Estate planning lawyers, on the other hand, provide tailored advice for securing family assets over the long term. They consider tax efficiency, asset protection, and strategies for passing wealth to multiple generations. For instance, a lawyer can set up trusts to protect inheritances from creditors or divorces, or create powers of attorney to manage assets if you become incapacitated. They also ensure that your estate plan complies with current laws, reducing the risk of disputes or legal challenges after your passing. So, which is better? If your estate is simple, a will writing service can work as a low-cost solution. But if you have multiple assets, complex family dynamics, or want to minimize taxes and protect wealth for future generations, an estate planning lawyer is the safer choice. The key takeaway is that estate planning isn't just about writing a will, it's about creating a legal framework that protects your family's future. Investing in professional legal advice may cost more upfront, but it provides peace of mind and safeguards your legacy. By understanding the differences, you can make an informed decision that ensures your assets are managed and transferred according to your wishes.